Alright, hey YouTube, it's Xrannos, and I have Zeberock with me again.
Hey!
And if you
Yeah.
probably might hear us louder for sure, sound difference, we're kind of using some mics now we kind of played around with. So this is halfway of a test video, and if we sound, too loud or anything like that, just as a forewarning, you might want to turn down your volume a little bit. YouTube-wise, and also as another thing, for any video games I'll probably use with this mic, I'll probably have to maybe turn the video game sound up. I'll be doing, of course, tests beforehand, just kind of test that theory. So you might have to turn down the sound overall with that, but I'll try to make it match.
Indeed.
Alright, for now, obviously, we're going to do a duo of Cleverbot. That's going to be weird. So,
This is gonna be very strange. Are you free for dinner on the 25th? Why, no, but how about the 27th?
alright, let's try that. We'll go back and forth with responses, I guess. Yes, I do. I should actually be commentating these words. No, I want you to tell me a story.
There once was a man in a shoe. He had a kangaroo. Something that rhymes with kangaroo. The end.
I can't spell, if you didn't notice.
You can't spell.
What is too far for the one who sings to deaf ears? What?
What?
Father, then
Father?
I.
The
Oh.
I?
Oh shoot, what was I about to say? Yeah, kangaroo can see.
We are
Past.
now going to base this on the kangaroo.
Yes, it's gonna be based on the guy's room. Past his paycheck. That makes no sense. Now,
Because you are the kangaroo.
wait, what?
Tell Cleverbot he is the kangaroo. Say, because you are the kangaroo.
You reckon?
You reckon? I done reckon.
I'll reckon that you reckon that I may have reckoned that you are the kangaroo, but maybe an apple deep down inside. I don't know that I'm a robot.
Are you Hillary Clinton kangaroo?
So you're... I don't even know how to spell Hillary.
Make a bold attempt.
Yeah. Hillary. 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 You know. That your Hillary Clinton kangaroo?
That is terrible grammar.
I know. I went to school, I passed, but my spelling was amazing. I am what you and people like you make me.
You are cake?
So, I like that enough to put. So you're the cake. The lie?
Why do I have a feeling it's gonna say that's a lie?
I put the lie. No, it is not.
The cake is a lie. Yes, it is.
Oh, I spelled cake wrong. Awesome. The cock is a lie. Whatever.
Not.
Wait. The cake is a lie. You lie. Yes, it is. Think about that.
No, it's not. We'll
No,
win this
it's
argument.
not. I beat your logic. Give yourself a pat on the back for stupidity. Oh my god, I'm about to cuss this thing out.
I can't reach my back.
I like that. I can't reach you either. You're a robot.
That's your opinion.
True. I'm glad you can't reach me. That would be illegal in this state. That's spelled legal wrong. Your turn.
I'm glad that you're glad that I'm glad that you're glad that I'm glad. Well, I'm glad that you're glad you're glad I'm glad that you're glad glad I was so glad you're glad. You glad, bro? I love making 0 sense.
I think I got most of that. Oh, he's trying to beat us at our own game. So bad that I are glad.
I'm screen capturing this. And by the way, because this is so epic, it needs to play D.
Oh god. I think you are too nice for your own good. Your response?
Word.
The bird is the word.
There's something on your face.
No, it's not.
Just say no.
Okay, I'll just put no then. No. I was gonna put the scarecrow as the word. So predictable!
I'm not expecting it to continue.
I love this thing once in a while.
No with a question mark?
Wait, put what?
No with a question mark?
Nope. I love how... God. Sure, why not?
Probably.
Bro, yeah, I can't spell that word either.
Probably.
Okay, you win.
I
I got this.
The game. Dude. How does it know these things? I never will know.
Dude, it knew the definition of the glomp. When I put that in for my one of my last videos, I was like, what? Oh, I got one. What's it called? Oh shoot, I forgot what I was gonna put. What's a random internet meme?
And my ex.
Would you put it? Wait, say it again.
And my ex.
And my ex. And my bow.
7,825.
7,825 months. Plus 2. You are not very smart.
I done gets edumacation.
You jelly. You jelly, you don't have the math skills. We're trolling an AI. What the heck? No, I don't. Well, I'm glad you agree.
You're a murderer.
Okay. Murderer. Why is that? Oh.
Because you watched the movie The Crow.
Oh, recording's about to end, so I'll continue that sentence in the next one.